Hello, this is Matteo from Tech Travel Geeks, and today we're here to unbox the Aermoo B2 wireless stereo earphones. Now let's start off with the packaging. We have an image of the devices and their charging unit, specifications of the model number, power input, battery capacity. Interesting, there's something about a rechargeable warehouse of 440 milliamp hours. I have no idea what a rechargeable warehouse is, but it'll be interesting to find out. And other information about these earphones. On the side, we have an interesting detail about colour, baking paint or brushed metal. Again, I'm mystified by what baking paint is, but we'll find out soon. On the other side, challenge impossible, which is a very aspirational thing. So let's open this up and see what's inside. Black box, nothing there. Let's open the box itself. Oh wow, this is interesting. So we have a set of earphones marked as right and left with little rubberized units there. There's a set of replacement rubbers for those earphones, earplug phones, and a charging unit. This is interesting. So this is Aermoo branded. It's a brushed metal finish. You can see the Aermoo branding, and the earplugs seem to fit magnetically. They clip into this power adapter. Now my understanding is the way this works is this is a battery that charges the smaller batteries inside the earphones, and this is an easy way to carry them. It's actually quite pleasant to see how they clip into the holder with a magnetic clip, and the same for right. And you then charge this via micro USB. What else is in the packaging? Right, we have a micro USB cable, that's to charge the main charger, which is there, and some documentation, which we may or may not read. So that's the unboxing of the Aermoo B2 wireless stereo earphones. We'll give you a full review here on Tech Travel Geeks soon. Thanks for watching everyone, and remember to subscribe to Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube.